How can you master thermodynamic property unit conversions? Imagine trying to cook a recipe but using cups instead of grams. It would be confusing, right? The same goes for thermodynamics. Converting units correctly is key to understanding and solving problems. First, get familiar with the common units used in thermodynamics. Pressure can be in pascals, kilopascals, atmospheres, bars, pounds per square inch, or torr. Temperature might be in Celsius, Kelvin, Fahrenheit, or Rankine. Volume is often in cubic meters or cubic feet, and specific volume is in cubic meters per kilogram. Energy can be in joules, kilojoules, British thermal units, or calories. Power is usually in watts or horsepower. Knowing what each unit measures helps you choose the right conversion. Next, learn the main conversion factors. For example, 1 atmosphere equals 101.3 to 5 kilopascals, or about 760 torr. To convert pressure from pounds per square inch to kilopascals, multiply by approximately 6.895. Temperature conversions are simple but important. Celsius to Kelvin is adding to 173.15, and Fahrenheit to Celsius involves subtracting 32, then multiplying by 5/9. Power conversions include 1 horsepower being about 0.7457 kilowatts, and 1 kilowatt equals 3,412 British thermal units per hour. Using dimensional analysis makes conversions easier. Think of it as setting up a chain of fractions where units cancel out. For example, to convert 5,500 psi to kilopascals, multiply 5,500 by 6.895 kilopascals per psi. The psi units cancel, leaving you with the answer in kilopascals. This method reduces mistakes and keeps your calculations clear. Practice is essential. Use thermodynamic tables that list properties in specific units. Convert these values to units you are comfortable with. For instance, if a table shows pressure in atmospheres, convert it to torr or kilopascals depending on what your problem needs. When working with temperature, remember that many thermodynamic equations requiring absolute temperatures. Convert Celsius or Fahrenheit to Kelvin or Rankine before plugging values into formulas. Familiarize yourself with prefixes like kilo, mega, milli, and micro. These help you express very large or very small quantities accurately. For example, a power rating of 5 kilowatts is 5,000 watts, and a small energy amount like a microjoule is 1/1,000,000th of a joule. When solving real problems, always check your units. Say you need to compare a heater rated in kilowatts with a furnace rated in British thermal units per hour. Convert one to the other to ensure they match. If the heater is 5 kilowatts, multiply by 3,412 to get British thermal units per hour. This way, you can compare capacities directly. By practicing these steps regularly, converting units in thermodynamics becomes second nature. It helps you communicate your findings clearly and ensures your calculations are correct. Mastering unit conversions makes understanding the properties of substances much easier and more straightforward.